Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and manage items, products, and services in Zoho Books. This is essential for keeping your inventory organized and ensuring accurate invoicing and expense tracking across your business. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Zoho Books' features. Now, take a look at the left navigation menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Items. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this expanded menu, click on Items again. This takes you to the Items Management page where you can view all your existing products and services. Once you're on the Items Management page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on this button, and you'll be directed to the new item creation page. This is where you'll input all the details for your product or service. From here, you'll need to fill in the required fields to create your item. Start by selecting the type of item you want to create, either goods or service, depending on what you're offering. Then enter a name for your item and choose the unit of measurement from the drop-down menu. This helps standardize how you track quantities. Next, move to the sales information section. Here, enter the selling price of your item or service. This is the amount you'll charge your customers. Then select the account this item belongs to and add a description that clearly explains what you're selling. Don't forget to add the appropriate tax from the drop-down field, as this ensures your invoices are compliant with tax regulations. Now it's time to move to the purchase information section. Enter the cost price of this item, which is what you pay to acquire or produce it. Select an account and add a description here as well. Once again, add the tax from the drop-down field. If you have a preferred vendor for this item, use the drop-down menu to select them. This makes reordering much faster and keeps your supply chain organized. Once all the necessary fields are filled in, click the Save button at the bottom of your screen. Your item is now added to Zoho Books and ready to be used in invoices, purchase orders, and inventory tracking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.